Hello everyone, cut this plastic bottle, make multiple cuts. Now put the another one inside it, cover it using fruit foam net, paste the ears and eyes of the bunny, paste a hanging and look, your hanging lamp is ready. We need these empty two box. We are going to put a hole at the center, put frills, now put a lamp inside it, cover it and look, your hanging lamp is ready. Cut this empty bottle into half and trace the butterfly on this pink craft paper. Cut it like this, don't cut completely. Paste two butterflies on the top of it. Cover the bottle, put fairy light and look, your hanging lamp is ready. Let's make this colorful hanging lamp. We need clay balls. We are going to roll this. Now fold it and make a ring like this. Make more such colorful rings and blow a balloon and paste all the rings around the balloon like this. Stick all of them and cover the balloon. Now we are going to pop the balloon out. You will get a shape like this. Now put hangings and fairy light inside it and look, it is ready. Look at this beautiful bunny hanging. Let's make it. Cut this paper cup, draw the ears, draw its eyes using black marker. Draw flowers around it, put fairy light and hanging and it's ready. We're going to make this beautiful pineapple hanging. So cut a plastic bottle, cover it using yellow foam net. Cut the crown using green craft paper, curl it and paste it on the top of the bottle like this. Now we're going to put a fairy light inside it. Paste a hanging and look, your pineapple hanging is ready. Cut a 8 and 10 cm red craft paper, make multiple cuts on one of them. Now paste it on the top of the 8 cm paper, paste double-sided tape and paste it around this bottle. Put fairy light and your hanging lantern is ready. Let's use these colorful bottle caps and make a beautiful lantern. Combine all the red caps together, paste the frills and look, your hanging lantern is ready. We're going to make a beautiful lantern using fruit foam net. So tie two foam net together, cut 4 pieces, roll all of them and paste it at the bottom of it. Roll it and tie it using rubber band, give it a shape of toffee. Now we are also pasting these yellow foam net, cut it, paste hanging and frill on the top and base and look, your lanterns are ready. We are going to cut a 8 cm circle and cut different circles. We are cutting 30 colorful circles, paste all of them, make multiple cut on the red craft paper, make a frill, paste all of them and look, it's ready. Let's make this beautiful lantern using craft paper. Cut this bottle and roll this red craft paper, paste a flower at the center. Now make 10 to 12 such pieces and paste all of them on this red strip of paper using double-sided tape. Roll it around the bottle using double-sided tape, paste a hanging and frill at the center and base. Put a fairy light and look, it's ready. Cut a red circle, fold it from its sides and make a triangular shape. Paste 4 more such shapes together, one after another. Paste a thread at the center, make 2 such pieces. Now cut 10 such pieces and combine all of them together like this. Fold it and make a ring shape. Now cover it from its top and bottom. Now we are going to cut this yellow craft paper. We are making a star shape here. Cut it, open it and cut 10 such stars and paste all of them and look, your hanging is ready. Make multiple cut on this bottle and put a balloon inside it. Blow the balloon, tie a knot. Now we are going to cover it using the lid. Paste eyes and ears of the bunny and look, your hanging bunny is ready. Take an egg and remove the yolk of the egg by making a hole at the top. Now we are going to draw the face using marker. Draw eyes and cheeks, put it on the top of the bulb and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.